How to redeem NFL Sunday Ticket gift card. Before redeeming your NFL gift card, firstly you will need to identify the type of gift card. There are different kinds such as YouTube gift card, Google Play gift card, or Apple App Store gift card. And yes, these are very different from each other, and the redemption process of these cards are also different. If you have a YouTube gift card, then you can simply go to youtube.com/redeem. Here you will see a section where you can enter your code and recheck properly. After that, click on next to redeem your YouTube gift card. But make sure that you are signed in with the right account. If you have a Google Play gift card, then you can simply open Google Play Store, click on your profile picture, then go to payments and subscriptions. Here you can see redeem code option. If you have an Apple Store gift card, then you can simply open Apple Store on your iPhone and click on your profile icon. After that, you will see the option redeem gift card or code. Click on those options and do as prompted. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.